In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online on Singapore Airlines. To do that, you first need to head over on Singapore Airlines, which is their website on singaporeair.com. From in there, you can see these options. So you can head over to Flying with Us, and once you hover to that, you can see these options for travels as well as travel info. You can see there your airport check-in, so click on that. You can also choose online or mobile check-in. From in there, you can input your SQ booking reference or your e-ticket number. It depends on you. Just input right here the details for those numbers as well as your last family name. So once you have done those, you can head over and click on this check-in, and then this will prompt Singapore Airlines to verify your details. Do take note that it actually is only open 48 to 1.5 hours before your flight, so check in as soon as you can within this time window. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.